Welcome to Mobilio Condos, a revolutionary condo and townhome project that is launching in the Vaughan Metropolitan Center. This exciting condominium project consists of 3 condo buildings consisting of 500 units along with 500 townhomes. The lobby is phenomenal. Excellent promenade space along with beautiful greenery, townhomes and wonderful condominium complexes, all interconnected with the most intricate system of transit connected to TTC, Zoom, YRT and more. As you can see, the community has profound amenities to offer with beautiful greenery and a truly vibrant community that people can live in and enjoy, be connected, yet have fun all at the same time. These are the first 2 condos that are launching in the project, and this again is the beautiful lobby that will be present in the buildings. This is a project that is not one to miss out on, as we are in phase 1 by Menkes, a profound project and investment opportunity for buyers and investors to get into the Vaughan downtown market right from the get-go. The Mobilio condos are currently under sale in phase 1 and the townhomes will be releasing shortly. We are live at the sales center, always available, ready to provide buyers and investors with more information on this thrilling and exciting project. For more information, please call us at 416-899-8300, or you can visit us online to learn more about the condos at mobiliocondosvaughan.com and for the townhomes at mobiliotowns.ca.